I think I found a new way to use up your leftover turkey. Welcome back to Vintage Recipe Hero, where I introduce old recipes that are new to you. This week, we are solving the problem of what to do with leftover Thanksgiving or Christmas turkey. When you're tired of sandwiches and soup, what should you make? Marguerite Patton's book, Everyday Cooking, published in 1977, says, make turkey croquettes. Croquettes. Croquette. Anyways, this recipe seems a whole lot simpler to make than it is to pronounce that word. And what you're going to need is 1.5 cups of chopped cooked leftover turkey, salt and pepper. I'm using white pepper because I don't want to see black speckles in my white sauce. Breadcrumbs, I have regular ones, but if you have panko, that's even better. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons butter or margarine, oil for frying, 2/3 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of flour. And that's it. This recipe is going to be cheap, simple, pantry friendly, and an excellent way for you to use up your leftover turkey that I hope is really delicious. So if you're interested in fried foods, which I think most people are, let's get started right now.
Make your thick white sauce. Start by melting your butter or margarine. Keep the heat around a low-medium. Add flour and mix together. A whisk works well. When the flour absorbs the butter, it should look like globs of mashed potato. Really thick little globs. Then start gradually adding your milk. Whisk until smooth and the flour has absorbed it before adding more. It should still look like mashed potatoes. Be careful that the flour does not stick to the bottom of the pot. Eventually, you will want to switch over to a spatula. A spatula can unstick any flour and milk from the sides and bottom, and from your whisk too. At this point, your sauce should not get lumpy. You can finish it off with the spatula. When it looks like loose mashed potatoes, you can finish it off with the spatula. Then give it one last whisk for luck. Add your salt and pepper to taste and mix well. I added about a teaspoon of each. The finished sauce should be thick. Let cool. When cool, mix in your chopped turkey. Note, the heat is off now. Divide your turkey mixture into 4 sections. Then ball or shape each one into a croquette shape, whatever that means. Whisk up your egg. One at a time, cover each turkey ball with egg, then dip and roll it into the breadcrumbs. Set aside. Repeat with the remaining balls. My croquettes were kind of an ovular shape. I started off round and then pushed them down a little bit, just for a more even cooking time, I think. Prepare to shallow fry. Cover the bottom of a frying pan with oil. Add something to the pan so you know when it's hot. When oil is hot, add all 4 croquettes to pan. Flip when brown after about 5 to 8 minutes. Hopefully you can flip better than me. I'm only going to make you watch me flip one. The rest I will just cut. This is painful, I know. Fry the other side, let sit on paper towel, and enjoy.
Well, that was incredibly easy. If I didn't have to move my camera around from place to film this for you, I bet you this recipe can be made in 30 minutes or less. It was so easy. I'm really excited to try this now in front of the camera because, to be totally transparent, I did take a little bite for my little photo shoot here, but you know what? I can pretend like it's the first time. God, I always take such a big bite. Not only was this quick, cheap, and easy to make, not only was this a great way to use up leftovers so we don't waste, this is delicious. So delicious. I give this a 9 out of 10. However, you can make this even better. How can you make it better? Adding fresh herbs. Next time, I'm adding oregano, parsley, or rosemary to these. They would be even better. However, crunchy on the outside, soft and creamy on the outside, nice texture and bite from the cooked turkey, salted and peppered to perfection. Turkey croquettes are the way to go. No more turkey sandwiches, no more turkey soup for you. Make these, 1 for each person in your family, 4 for you, 2 for you, 2 for your neighbor. I don't know. These are so good, and I'm going to wrap this video up so I can finish eating them. Thanks so much for watching this week. I'll see you next week for another retro recipe on Vintage Recipe Hero. Bye. You know another way you can make these even better? Franks.